Hey, Tom, good to see you. You are a busy man, and I know that you are very busy coming up, but with something that you're really passionate about. You're putting on a retirement workshop for free. Tell me about what you're going to cover in that workshop.
Right. It's financial literacy month, right? So we thought it
Hmm.
was important to try to help educate the general public. So we're going to have a retirement workshop on April 26th and 28th. And basically, what we're going to do is try to give the highlights of a lot of the issues and information that folks need for their retirement plan. We're going to
Hmm.
talk about Social Security at a high level. We're going to talk about current taxes and inflation, market risks, how to manage that. We're going to talk about the economy. So, a lot of things that people will need in order to help themselves to start either preparing for retirement or to maybe correct the course of their retirement today.
Okay. And so, Tom, if somebody would like to register for that event, is it complicated?
No, it's actually pretty simple. You just go to the site and you click on that blue registration button there that you see. And then basically you're going to fill out your name, email address, and phone number so that we can just confirm with you. And we'll even try to take your order the day before so we don't have to worry about all that. And it's that simple.
So
Even
helpful
I
and so
can do it.
easy. Yeah. All right, Tom, thank you.
Thanks, Aaron.